What up, y'all? Today is day 7 of 75 hard. Your boy just copped this badass gallon thing so he could track what it is that he's doing. Pretty dope. Tells you when you got to drink it so you can kill the whole gallon in a day. If you're interested in getting the gallon, I'll put a link to where you can buy it on Amazon in the comment section below. But yo, today I'm power walking outside. I'm doing my outside workout. I'll tell you guys right now, I can see how challenging this thing can be, this 75 hard program. Like today I'm fucking exhausted. I'm straight up tired and I'm still out here and I'm still getting it and I'm still working out as hardcore as I can outside without burning myself out. Power walking, knees to chest, knees to chest. And I wanted to share this with you guys because I think that this is important, because this last day, today's day 7, by the way, this last day that I was doing this program, on day 6, I realized that I was just like putting this thing off. And I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna knock it all out at the end of the day. As soon as I get home, 45-minute workout outside, 45-minute workout inside, kill my gallon, read my 10 pages. And I decided to spend the whole day focusing just fully on my business because we were behind in work. And doing that, man, that really set me out. Like, that really set me back. And now I feel as though I'm playing catch up in this challenge. And I told you guys I was going to document the whole thing. And I know that sooner or later, this shit will get easy. But like all things, it just takes time. And I just got to be patient enough to see it through. So there's this book that I want to recommend to you guys that are watching this video right now that I think that you should have on your shelf no matter what. You should carry it around in your back pocket because it's such a small book. It's called Eat That Frog. So I'll drop a link to where you can get that book on Amazon. I'm pretty sure you'll get it the next day if you order it today. But Eat That Frog is this badass concept that I like a lot. So let's say somebody told you that for whatever reason, no matter what, every single day, you would have to eat a frog. What time of the day would you choose to eat that frog? Right? Would you wait until the end of the day? I mean, a whole live frog. I'm talking like rip it, you know what I'm saying? Like it's fucking alive. Would you wait until the end of the day to eat that frog? Hell nah. If somebody told me that no matter what, every single day, no matter what, like eat this or die, I love my life. I'm gonna grab that frog right when I fucking wake up and I'm gonna eat it because I know that's what I have to do. And that frog can be put off. It could be something that is important to you. So it doesn't have to be a frog. What I like about this is it uses the frog as the concept. But when you can identify what those main tasks that require massive effort, that require massive work, what they are, what is your frog that you're putting off? Is it the workout that you know that you should do in the morning? Is it going outside and walking around for a little while just to get your morning workout? Is it the weights that you're not lifting? Is it the cold calling that you're not doing? Is it the people that you're not meeting? Is it the marketing that you're not doing? You see what I'm saying? So identify what your frog is. Understand what time of day that you should eat that thing and get that shit done, because that's what this thing's all about. So moving forward, you know, again, I'm just documenting the whole journey. I can't tell you guys how much I appreciate y'all just following all of this and supporting me the way that y'all are. Just thank you guys so much, and keep watching. I'm gonna keep throwing out little videos like this while I document the whole journey. I'll see you guys later. Remember, click the link for the jug. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Love you guys.